And here's Randy taking the time to shave this afternoon. We finished our cribbage game and now he decided to shave. He's got the shave set up right there on the table. Yeah, we're trying to figure out what to do while we're camping. It's a odd feeling not to have anything really to do. Isn't it, hun? It's kind of weird. Yeah. What should we do now?
Oh, we'll figure out something.
So he's got the setup here. He's got the mirror set up for him. It's pretty quiet here. It looks like just about everybody else has left the park today, except for us. So we're making some rice in the Instapot for lunch. So rice, we've got it set up here. We're using one of the boxes from our setup and from the garage of our van. We still got our cooking stuff out. And this is Randy's setup for shaving. He's got the mirror. He's using a little bit of soap and he's getting in a shave. I guess we really are slowing it down here on Slow Lane Living with Paul and Randy. Here's his mirror. Here's the mirror that we've got for him to shave. And here he is shaving. We were looking around the campsite and we see someone carved their initials into this tree. A-R and C-R. Must be trying to find things to do when they're camping as well.
There's a fly in the water.
Well, fly in the shaving water. And it looks like someone built a little house here for the chipmunks. We've been watching Summer chasing chipmunks. Someone built a little house. That's kind of neat with sticks. So, yeah, it's really something to have time on your hands and wonder, what the heck do you do? There's no TV. There's no internet. And here we are. We listened to radio, listened to a little lecture about marriage and how marriages, how to keep from being lonely in your marriage. That was kind of a neat broadcast that we just listened to. Yeah. Taking it easy. Walked down to the beach earlier. The cat came out for a walk. That was interesting to see him come out. We gave him a snack. And we think are we gonna go down to the waterfalls after we have lunch?
Yep.
Alright, we'll go check out the waterfalls after lunch. And it looks like you got a good shave.
Did I?
Yeah, you should do a goatee.
I didn't cut myself.
Did you? You didn't cut yourself. So yeah, we've been using these baby wipes. They've been nice to have. And yeah, so here we are. Just taking it easy, taking it slow. Not sure what we're doing, but kind of enjoying it. Peaceful. It's gorgeous out here. And no phones, nobody leaving us messages. Randy ended up beating me at that cribbage game, in case you were wondering. He got some better cards right after I did the filming. Summer's got every chipmunk scared to death in the area. So, alright, thanks for watching. Okay, our Instapot is done. We're just about to have some lunch. Here's the rice that we made. And we're going to stir that up. Just open it up. It has carrots and parsley and seasoning in here. And it looks wonderful. Let's throw the peas in. Got the peas?
I just put them in my bowl.
Oh. Okay. Throw some peas on there. Get the peas out. Alright. And throw some peas in there. Okay, and we're gonna have some some rice and peas and have some lunch. The Instapot here, we have the electrical hookup, so we're using that today. All right, let's have some lunch. All right, thanks for watching. Our riding down, looking for a long slide. What's it called? Long slide? Yep. Long Slide Falls. So this is close to the park where we're staying at, and they said we should go look at these falls. And so we decided to load up the truck and load up Pumpkinhead here, summer poopy boots, hi poopin' riders. And Randy's driving, and here we are looking for Long Slide Falls along this beautiful route. Where are you going?
Let this car go.
Oh. Alright. Letting the car go around because we're not in a hurry. Interesting. It is beautiful. The fall colors are really starting to come out. It's a beautiful day. No rain. No rain. It's a little chilly. What about, what was it, 62 degrees or something?
Yeah, 60,
Yeah.
65.
It's a beautiful, we're camped at a campground called, what's it called? Can't think of the name of it. What's it called? Morgan. Yeah, Morgan. And it's a county campground. There's some four-wheeling trails. It's coming up. I thought it was like about 5 miles.